In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right JustFit fitness app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Right, let's get into it. So to install the right app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store and then open it. Now from here, go ahead and search for your app using by word, or you can also search here using this icon if you don't see this search menu. I'll go ahead and just type in the name and then search here, and we can see the app is here. Now to know that it's the right app, make sure it is from Enerjoy PTE Limited. And here's the tagline, lazy workout. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.8 from over 115,000 reviews. And currently it has over 10 million downloads. The file size is around 34 MBs. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of JustFit app and then install it on your Android smartphone. Once it's done, now you can go ahead and tap on open, or if you go back, you should be able to find it on your apps. Proceed and open it to start using your app. So that's how you can download and install the right JustFit app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.